गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। अपना जो एलएलबी फर्स्ट ईयर का पेपर 7th है, लीगल लैंग्वेज, लीगल राइटिंग एंड जनरल इंग्लिश, उसके अंदर हमने कुछ सिलेबस हमने कवर किया था। टुडे we will discuss on an important topic: resume, curriculum vitae and biodata. Dear students, resume word originate from French word. This is French word. This is meaning education, skills and employment summarized together is called a resume. This is a resume's definition. For a fresher, a resume generally starts with the career objective, followed by education, project detail, major skills, strengths, interests, personal details, etc. Good idea. It is always a good idea to get your resume prepared by experts. This is an this is a good idea. When should we use of resume? The resume used concise when applying for a job, internship, etc. Second thing is curriculum vitae. Curriculum vitae, this it's a short form. CV, word organized from a Latin word. Curriculum vitae is a Latin word. CV contains details which are more relating to education and life. Two things are related to curriculum vitae. First, education, and second, life. It is a more in-depth details than a resume. This is the clear thing that curriculum vitae in depth other than the resume. It may be 2 and 3 pages or even longer. Its length 2 and 3 pages or even longer, depending one's requirement. It covers all details in chronological order. Its detail in chronological order. It covers general talents rather than specific skills for any specific position. When should we use curriculum vitae? Fellowship, academic position. Two things there are, we use the curriculum vitae. First, fellowship, and second, academic position. Common information. First, contact detail. Second, educational history. Third, work history. Fourth, related to research work. Skills, awards, scholarship, volunteer work, and community services. Third topic is biodata. Biodata, full form of the biodata is biographical data. So biodata is the short form of the biographical data. It is an archaic terminology for resume or CV. In a biodata, the focus is on personal details or particulars like date of birth, gender, religion, race, nationality, residence, marital status, height, weight, and caste, etc., other than the education and experience. It should be clear that other than the education and experience. At times, biodata also includes application made in specified formats as required by the company. These are three uh, topic are related to us. Firstly, resume, that given information, contact detail, objectives, obtain a job, work history, qualification. Secondly, curriculum vitae, contact detail, educational history, work history, related to research work, skills, awards, fellowship, scholarship, volunteer work, community services. Students, these topic should be clear. Uh, these topics are very important for your examination. You should prepare them clearly. We will meet you next period. Thank you.